What's going on, people? It's your boy, Mr. Freedom. Speech today, people. Today, people, I'm reacting to people. Lisa, Anitta, and you know who he is, people, man. Representing Nigeria, people, yeah. Rema, people, yeah. And this one's the FIFA sound, people. Goals, yeah. FIFA World Cup 2026, people, yeah. It's the official video for the World Cup. Do you know what I'm saying? Let me know, people, what you think about this song. Give me your opinion. Like the video. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, people. Let me know who done their thing on this one. Or if you think all three of them done it, let me know also. Let's get into this one right about now. Let's go, people, man. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's hear what it's saying first.
Yes, I'm goals, 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 goals. My body goals, fit goals, my friends goals, whip goals. My body goals, fit goals, my friends goals, whip goals. Shots on shots on shots on shots. Thoughts on thoughts on thoughts on thoughts. Buy out the club, I do it for the pot. How much it costs, I don't know what's a lot. 40 band, 50 band, that's a drop. Drop in a bucket, love it, I love it. I live in the moment, I do what I want. I look so good. From my head to my
I had to bring that back, people. I had to bring that one back. People, let me know, people, in the comment section down below. I need to get into her music, people. What's her best feature? What's her best song? Let me know, people, in the comment section down below. Because this is the first time me listening to Lisa, people, yeah? I don't know too much about her. But yeah. I know about Anitta and my Nigerian brother. You know what I mean? But this is the first time listening to Lisa, people, you know what I mean? Let me know more about her. Let's go. Let's go.
Yes, I'm goals, goals,
Goals.
goals,
Goals.
goals, goals, goals,
go.
My body goals, fit goals, my friends goals, whip goals. My body goals, fit goals,
Hey.
my friends goals, whip.
Let's go.
Shots on shots on shots on shots. Thoughts on thoughts on thoughts on thoughts. Buy out the club, I do it for the plot. How much it costs, I don't know what's a lot.
Yeah, she said, I don't even know, but it costs a lot. I don't know, but it costs a lot. You know what I'm saying, people? I don't know, but it costs a lot.
It's a lot. 40 band, 50 band, that's a drop. Drop in a bucket, love it, I love it. I live in the moment, I do what I want. I look so good. From my head to my toes. Yes, I'm goals, 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 goals,
One thing I do like, people, I can't ever lie to you. It's a catchy song, catchy beat, catchy song in general, you know what I mean? I can definitely see why this probably is the anthem from, you know, the World Cup and stuff like that. So I can see the reason why they may have said, yo, this is the anthem for the World Cup. You know what I'm saying, people? I can see why now. I can see why now.
But I'm
Let's go. People, you know who we got right now. You know who we got right now, people. You know who we're bringing to the stage right now. You know who we're bringing, people. We're bringing Anitta, people, yeah? Anitta, people, yeah? From Brazil. Anitta, talk to them. Talk to them.
goes. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Pégate que tú querías una mami. Tengo lo que estás buscando, aquí está tu Brazilian body. Eu rebolo bem, quero ver você também. Yo sí me muevo bien, quiero ver si tú también. I look so good, I ain't worried about nothing. Me and the girls, we got our tongues out, and you love it. I look so good, I ain't worried about nothing. From the skin under my clothes, from my head to my toes. Yes, I'm
Nah, people, I do like Anita's bit. I do think that there could have been a little bit more to it though as well. A little bit more of a verse to it. Maybe like another 8 bars more.
goes.
Let's go.
I don't want you to go post. No matter me get the only meet the flow. When I want check around the world, me no get blown. From Nigeria to Monaco, anywhere them mission.
Jera.
Me I go show. Original ball, I know that go. Take a trip into my mind, you can see I'm all about the ego. Run. Cause I'm coming like Titan. Everybody they know I'm the one champion. It's my time, go chat.
I am the world #1 champion.
Run. Cause I'm coming like that.
Skin under my clothes, from my head to my toes. Yes, I'm
There you go, people. There you go, people. Today, people, man. What a banger. Let me know, people. Do you like this or not? Let me know, people, in the comment section down below.